Hi guys, Luke here from Luke Tech Reviews, and I'm back with another video for the S23 Ultra. Today I'll be opening, unboxing and installing a tempered glass screen protector for your S23 Ultra. This is a direct competitor to Whitestone Dome, and if you've watched the channel before, you'll see I've done this same installation on the Pixel 7 Pro and it was fantastic. So I'm really interested to see how this one goes for the S23 Ultra. I want to thank the guys over at Nishan for sending this over. They're based on Amazon, so I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. You should go check them out. But let's get this unboxed and go through the installation. Okay, so before we start, same as last time, let's just have a quick look around the box. So as I said earlier, this is tempered glass premium screen protector. It uses nano gel, it's got a leak-proof design and an error-proof installation according to the instructions on the front. Let's just flip over. Last time these instructions were shorter, so if you go back and check my Pixel 7 Pro review, you'll see the installation was only about 3 steps, whereas it looks like now it's actually 6. Whether that's been updated on the feedback people have provided or I provided, I don't know, but it's good to see the instructions have a bit more depth to them on the box. But again, it still says how to install, still tells you to go watch the video, and it actually has a disclaimer here now saying 99% of customers who failed the installation didn't watch the video. So don't worry about watching the video for this review because I've watched it for you. But if you do buy it and you want to be more comfortable with installing it, then go ahead and click the link in the description I've put, and it will take you to the Amazon page where you can find the video installation instructions. Okay, so let's open the box. So inside you get 1, 2, 3 pieces of cleaning tools. You get the foam tips which go inside, which I'll show you in a bit. You get this tool which you use to slot under, and I'll show you as we go through the process. A weight which wasn't in the Pixel 7 Pro review, so we'll see how that helps this installation. And your tray to pop the phone in during installation. 3 tempered glass screen protectors, which is good. You don't just get 1, you get 3, so already really good value for money compared to Whitestone Dome. Stickers for clearing up your ports so you don't get a liquid in there. A UV lamp which will be used during the installation to cure the glue. And finally your glue, which is just in here. Okay, so inside, before we go ahead, like I said earlier, you want to watch the video. You can find a little leaflet inside which contains your QR code and the link, and see how to install it just in case. But if you'd rather watch this video, stick with me and let's go through it together. Okay guys, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is grab your foam tips, open them. Start with the larger ones, and what you want to do is place them in this tray just along the edge here. First one just in there, grab another one and stick that in the second edge just here. Okay, and grab the smaller ones and then put one just in the top of the tray here, there, like that. And then grab your phone and make sure you've got the bottom of it, and what you want to do next is get the stickers so that you can cover up the ports on the bottom. All the ports there. Grab one of the installation tool kits. So inside there you're going to have a cleaning cloth, wet wipe and stickers. So those are the usual things that you would get in a screen protector to install. The first thing you're going to open is the wet wipe. So let's get any fingerprints, any dirt, anything like that off of it. Okay, next just grab the little cloth and just give it a wipe. For the stickers, best thing to do is make sure you got the top of your phone straight into the top there. Push it into place so that's in nicely now. Grab your stickers and just give it a quick once over. Make sure you got all the dust off that you can see. Any dust left on there, guys, will result in bubbles, so make sure you get them all off if you can see them. So next you want to grab your little tool which looks like a little strange toothpick, slot it in like that. Next, grab one of your pots of glue and you're just going to empty it straight onto the display here. Just squeeze your full bottle on there. You can see the glue is on the screen. Next you want to grab one of your screen protectors in the white packets, and then it says here pull tab to remove the film. And what you want to do is, you see the little circle here, that's obviously going to fall in line with your screen protector. Top of the screen protector in first, drop the bottom straight onto the guide, and then you want to slowly move the guide away a little bit. As soon as you see it slightly touch, just wait a few seconds, slowly move it away again so it starts spreading more, and then finally just let it drop. So we'll just let that glue spread around the device until it's covering all areas of the screen. What we're going to do now is grab the metal weight. You pop that into the little spot where the fingerprint goes. Okay, so next you want to grab your UV lamp, and this is actually powered by USB-C. So what you want to do is just on the end there, you've got a slot. So grab your USB-C charger, just plug it in the end, and you'll see the lights come on. Pop that over the top. Quickly give it a hover over the top so that the fingerprint sensor gets a bit of cure under the metal weight. Okay, so I've done that for 10 seconds. To remove the weight for the fingerprint, you don't need that now. Just pop on each side of the device, the left and right. Leave your UV lamp on each side for about 100 seconds each side, just to make sure it's all cured properly. Okay, so that's 100 seconds on that side, so I'm just going to move the phone to this side. Wait another 100 seconds. Okay guys, so that's been 100 seconds on each side. Unfortunately I do have a bit of dust left on the screen, so I have one bubble. Hopefully you won't have that, but that's my fault for not getting the last piece of dust out. We're ready to take this out of the tray now and see how it looks. Flip it over and you'll see just at the bottom here, you'll have a little hole where you can push on the device. And we just want to cure the device a bit longer. 60 seconds on each side. Okay, and then 60 seconds the other side. Okay, so that's 60 seconds each side. Just before we take a look, let's take those stickers off the bottom. Okay, so I've just turned my phone back on. What we're going to do now is test the fingerprint scanner to make sure it's working. But first of all, what we need to do, a little sticker just here, just see, there you go. You need to pull that off, and then you can see it doesn't have the circle there anymore. It's just for the installation process. There's just one piece of dust in there, which you guys can see, so make sure you clean yours properly, unlike me. What I will say to you guys is, mine's fine because I already have this option enabled, but before going ahead, I would always make sure, same as I said on my Pixel 7 Pro, there's an option in the settings. We have settings, display, and then you've got touch sensitivity, and what that will do is it'll increase the sensitivity on your screen so that when you're using a screen protector, the fingerprint scanner should work better. So let's just test how this works with the screen protector. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I think we're all good. Okay, so as you can see, the fingerprint scanner works perfectly, which is amazing. So just to be clear, the price for this one, guys, is currently £28.79, and if you compare that to a Whitestone Dome, the price is actually significantly different. So the price of a Whitestone Dome is £54.99. That's a huge difference. And like I said, this is not a sponsored video. The guys just sent it over for honest feedback. Same with the Pixel 7 Pro, but I am a big fan of the screen protector because it really does give you value for money. And for those who, like me, have phones with a curved screen at the edges, it's a nightmare to try and get screen protectors. So you don't know how much of a relief it is to find a company offering one for around the £28 mark, compared to the likes of Whitestone Dome, which charge £40–50, and you only get 2 in the pack compared to 3 in niche ends. Overall, really impressed, guys. Looking at the screen, very clear, just the one bubble for me, but edges look good. Let's just do a front facing camera test to make sure we're good. So I'll take a selfie. As you can see, although the subject might not be great, the actual picture quality is unaffected and that looks fantastic. So yes, personally, I can recommend this. I will leave a link in the description for the screen protector. Please use that link, it helps the channel out but doesn't cost you anything. Once again, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Luke from Luke Tech Reviews. See you next time.